Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial for checking files in and out of Fluency Flow. We're here at the vendor dashboard and I have a couple of files here assigned to me. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to check out a file. Now from here we can check out the standard files which could be used in other translation tools, or we can check out a Fluency Flow file which can be used within Fluency. We can also check out all files currently assigned to us in this project. We're going to go ahead and actually use this second option here, and it'll provide us with a zip file. Save that, go to the desktop, and we're going to extract that. Now inside this folder we have several .f3x files. Those are FluencyFlow files, and we can go ahead and open these right in Fluency and begin translating them. If you're unfamiliar with how to use Fluency, we have various tutorial videos available from the profile, the vendor profile within Fluency Flow. So go ahead and open this file here, going to the desktop, and we'll select a file. So translation with Fluency Flow files would be carried out the same way you would translate a normal file. So we would just simply go through as we normally would. I'm just letting some translation memories populate a few of these. Okay, now let's assume that we're done with our translation. We'll do File and Save As. Now this allows us to save out a finalized file, which we can review. It also saves out a Fluency Flow return file, or an F3RX. Now this is the one that we'll want to upload back into Fluency Flow. You see here we started with an F3X, and as we translated, Fluency created an FTFX, or a Fluency translation file. This file is a project file for Fluency. It tracks all of our work. If we need to stop, for example, for the day, we can go ahead and close this. And if we go back and open that FTFX file, it'll bring us right back where we left off. From here, we can again save out to an XML, which again will also create an F3RX file automatically. So again, we start out with this. It'll create this as we go, and then when we're done, we can save out to an XML file and also an F3RX file. The Fluency return file actually has both the FTFX and the XML file within it. And so as we check that back into Fluency Flow, that provides our organization with both the final file as well as the FTFX for data, and if we have additional translators who will be working with the content, they'll have that available to them as well. And go ahead and check that in. And we can proceed with the next file. One of the advantages of this new file format is that you can translate several files, and when you're done, you could zip up all the files, all the F3RX files in one single zip file, and then you can also upload all those files under any one of these files. So for example, let's say I translated these three. I could actually come down here, choose that zip file that we made out of those three files, and check it in. And since the information is inside of these files, the system will know that they apply to these three. This concludes our quick demo on how to check files in and out of Fluency Flow. If you have any questions, please let us know at support@westernstandard.com. Thank you.